This is more than just cultivation. This is the enduring art and profound science of mango farming. From a tiny, humble seed, through meticulous care and unwavering dedication, to the bustling market. This is the unparalleled promise delivered, the journey of a mango, from seed to your satisfaction. Every grand journey, from the smallest seed to the most bountiful harvest, begins beneath the silent, waiting soil. With ancient wisdom and unwavering dedication, the earth is meticulously prepared, a canvas awaiting the brushstroke of life.
Here, raw strength converges with meticulous precision, as powerful machines sculpt the land with unwavering purpose.
With meticulous care, perfect rows are formed, each line a testament to foresight and agricultural artistry. The expansive field, now meticulously cultivated, stands ready, a pristine canvas for the future orchard.
Then, rows of young saplings arrive, each a fragile promise, awaiting their permanent home in the prepared earth.
With meticulous precision, spacing is carefully measured, ensuring each young tree has ample room to thrive. A sacred ritual commences, each fragile sapling gently placed into its new home, a future unfolding. The fragile roots, anchors of future growth, meet the nurturing earth, a bond forged in silent promise. Thus, a future orchard, meticulously planned and tenderly planted, is born, a testament to enduring vision.
Immediate care begins, a steady, life-sustaining flow of water, nourishing each precious sapling from its first day.
The orchard, once a dream, now fully takes shape, a verdant tapestry of life stretching to the horizon. Then, with the promise of new life, delicate flower buds, tiny emeralds, begin to appear. With breathtaking grace, the blossoms unfurl, a fragrant symphony signaling nature's fertile embrace.
Nature herself, through the gentle sway of blossoms, signals the sacred beginning of fruiting.
From the heart of each blossom, tiny mangoes, vibrant with promise, begin their miraculous formation. Each tiny mango, a fragile jewel, is precious, holding the profound promise of future sweetness.
Now, with the fruit's emergence, vigilance and care intensify, ensuring every mango's perfect development.
Essential nutrients, delivered with precision, lovingly support each mango's vigorous growth and development. A fine, protective mist is meticulously applied, safeguarding the precious fruit from every potential harm. Each individual fruit, a treasure in the making, is meticulously protected through a delicate bagging process.
With the passage of time, each mango steadily builds both its magnificent size and inherent strength.
The branches, once slender, now yield under the magnificent weight of their burgeoning, golden fruits. Then a breathtaking transformation begins, the vibrant green skin subtly changing, embracing golden hues. The skin, once taut, now yields with a rich, inviting texture, a testament to nature's artistry.
Bathed in golden sunlight, the exquisite aroma of ripe mangoes naturally develops, a fragrant symphony.
As the sun dips low, painting the orchard in golden hues, the long-awaited moment approaches.
Finally, with the first light of dawn, the joyous, arduous harvest time arrives, beckoning skilled hands.
With practiced grace and profound respect, skilled hands meticulously take over, harvesting nature's bounty. Each individual fruit, a culmination of nature's effort, is gently placed, handled with utmost respect. The harvest, a testament to enduring effort, is now magnificently complete, crates overflowing with nature's gold. Without delay, the critical journey of transport begins, ensuring the precious harvest reaches its next destination.
Every mango's delicate freshness is vigilantly protected, a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality. Across winding roads and verdant landscapes, the journey continues, bringing nature's bounty closer.
At last, the harvest arrives at our state-of-the-art processing facility, a hub of precision. Rigorous cleaning protocols ensure absolute safety, preparing each mango for its journey ahead.
With discerning eyes and expert hands, every single fruit undergoes rigorous quality inspection.
Advanced technology meticulously sorts each mango by grade, ensuring unwavering consistency and perfection. Expert packaging diligently preserves the inherent freshness, ensuring ultimate quality for consumers.
Now, perfectly packaged, these exquisite mangoes stand ready for global distribution, awaiting their journey.
From orchard to urban landscape, vibrant markets proudly receive the bountiful, fresh harvest.
Here, the journey culminates as unparalleled freshness gracefully meets the discerning desires of people.
With every exchange, unwavering trust is delivered, a promise of quality fulfilled from our hands to yours.
From a tiny seed's humble beginnings, its extraordinary journey now reaches its magnificent completion.